Underscoring the importance of a researcher's H-index in the academic landscape cannot be overemphasized. The H-index, serving as a metric measuring both productivity and impact, stands as a crucial indicator of a scholar's influence. It correlates with success indicators such as winning the Nobel Prize, being accepted for research fellowships, and holding positions at top universities. As a researcher's publication gain readership and citations, the H-index increases, subsequently promoting your online visibility. A key instrument in enhancing this impact is the institutional repository. Mere publication and offline storage of research proves inadequate. The limitations of this approach become evident when considering the dynamic and interconnected nature of contemporary knowledge sharing and retrieval. Leveraging repositories is essential for heightened visibility and global citation. Other than that, it is noteworthy that uploading your publications to the institutional repository can significantly impact the university ranking. This is your own way of contributing your quota to the growth and the development of your university. Welcome to Journalist Library channel. In this video, I will walk you through the process of uploading your publications to the University of Benin repository, a strategic move to fortify your H-index. Additionally, I'll demonstrate how to efficiently navigate the database, ensuring that your scholarly works resonate with a broader audience and contribute to your academic profile. These are the kind of materials that can be uploaded in the University of Benin repository. We have journal articles, books and book chapters, research reports, conference proceedings, patents and innovations, projects, dissertations and thesis, multimedia files, that is audio, video, other form of multimedia files related to research findings, artistic and creative works, newsletters and bulletins from the institution. If you want to visit the University of Benin Institutional Repository, type ir.uniben.edu and search. That is the URL. ir.uniben.edu, you'll be here. So ir.uniben.edu. So the first thing you need to do is to log in with the login details assigned to your faculty, the login ID and the password. You click on login under PMB. Look at the mouse pointer, PMB 1154. Click on login and enter the details given to you. So I'm going to use this and okay, you can see my own Obaro Gweri. Then once I'm logged in, I can come to my library. Look at it, my library. Then scroll down until you get to the second to the last item here, submit record. Second to the last item, submit record. When you click on submit record, you will see this page. This is a book that has already been uploaded and approved. That is why it's displaying here. So the next thing you should do is to click submit new record. Submit new record. Then in your system, you locate the file you want to upload. Just open it and you copy and paste the details. You can see the title, the author, the co-authors, okay, keywords, all those details according to the paper you want to upload or according to the according to the material you want to upload. Just give it the details, include the details, and go ahead and submit. For now, you can see that submit is not highlighted, but by the time you give in the details, you put in the details, it will be highlighted and you'll be able to submit. So on my own, I will go to my system and open the document. So the first document I want to use in this video is conceptualizing hybrid model for influencing intention to adopt cloud computing in northeastern Nigeria academic library. So I'll copy the title and paste it and go back to the authors, paste the author, type the first author's name, the way I want it to appear. The way I have to be very consistent with the way I want my name to appear, so that anytime it's searched, all records concerning me will be pulled out, and make sure I'll be consistent anytime I'm uploading. So here you see separate multiple author by a semicolon. So I'll make sure I separate the multiple authors here, the additional authors. I separate them by semicolon. Here a star was used, so I will change it to a semicolon. Then the keywords, I will go to the work, go back to the work and copy the keywords the way they are, separate with a semicolon also. At the end of each keyword, I will put a semicolon just to separate it. Cloud computing, cloud adoption, factors, semicolon. Cloud computing, adoption, semicolon. Academic libraries, semicolon. Northeastern Nigeria. Okay, all these keywords are going to serve as access points at the point a user is searching for a material. So be very mindful, make sure that you use keywords that are very appropriate to your work. If you don't have keyword at the point of publication, make sure you get some keywords that will be able to pull out your work. So here under publications, I'm going to impute the title of the journal / the name of the publisher. So the title of the journal, I'll copy the title of the journal. In this case, the title of the journal is the Journal of Academic Librarianship. Journal of Academic Librarianship. / Elsevier is the publisher, so Elsevier. The place is New York, and the year is 2023. Edition, I'll put the volume, type the volume and the issue. Then I'll put the ISSN in place of ISBN. If it is a book, I'll put ISBN. If it is a serial material, I'll put ISSN. So then I will choose the file. There must not be any form of discrepancy between the title of the work, see my mouse pointer, the title of the work, and the title you are choosing as your digital attachment should correspond. So, back. Conceptualizing hybrid models. Okay, conceptualizing hybrid model for influencing intention to adapt cloud computing. So that is the title of the work. Make sure it's in line so that they will not be accessing another document when after searching for the title. There must not be any form of discrepancy. So when I check and see that everything is in order, I can go ahead and click submit. We submit at the bottom left of the page. Click submit. You can see, look at it. It's loading. Look at it here, you can see that it's loading. So just watch out, make sure your network is connected at the point you are doing all this. Make sure that you are online, so that if you are not online, once you click on submit, it will just show you an error page. So make sure you are connected. Always check your network. So you can see it has uploaded. You can see it here. Look at the work here. Conceptualizing hybrid model for influencing intention to adopt cloud computing in northeastern Nigerian academic libraries. Look at it. If there is any need to do correction, to make any correction, click on edit. Click on edit and make any correction you want to do, then submit. So in this case, there is no correction. Everything is correct. Once I'm done with this, I'll go to the next one. If I have another document to upload, I'll click on new, submit new record again. Click on submit new record and I'll enter the details, just like the first one we did. Enter the details. I want to use another one here, innovation strategies in academic libraries. Innovation strategies in academic libraries. So I'll copy the title. I'll go back to the work and paste it. Go back again, copy the authors if they have more than one, copy them, paste them under authors. Then the main author, and write it the way it is. Then make sure you separate the authors, the other authors, separate them with colon as indicated here. Look at this, separate multiple author by semicolon. Make sure you follow the rules. Semicolon. Another semicolon. That's it. So the keywords, I will still use the keywords that were used at the point of publication. I'll just copy them and also make sure they are separated by semicolon. That's the rule. Always follow the rule. Innovation, semicolon. Disruptive innovation theory, semicolon. Competing values framework, semicolon. Academic library, semicolon. Library users, another semicolon. Then entrepreneurial, that's it. So the publisher, as I said, you have to type the title of the journal, followed by the name of the publisher. So I'll copy the title of the journal, then I type the name of the publisher, Elsevier. Place of publication, Switzerland. The year of publication is 2023. Edition, as I said, always use the volume and issue if it is a serial material. Then if it is then the ISBN. If it is a book chapter, leave it. Just type the ISBN of the book. But if it is a serial, put the serial number. So if you choose file, digital attachment, choose file, you click on it and it will take you to your system and pick the particular file you just gave the details. Innovation strategies. So I double click on it and it will appear here, innovation strategies in academic libraries using business entrepreneurs. So I will come here and click submit once I'm done with that. can see the conceptualizing hybrid model for. You can see this is the first one I uploaded. This is the second one. So the two are already there. Always check. And if there is any reason for you to make any corrections, look at it very well. If there is any reason for you to make any correction, maybe you made a mistake in the process of data entry, just click on edit. Click on edit, and it will take you back to the work for you to make any form of correction. Like here now, the cloud, after cloud computing, I can see that these two columns, so I can click on it and click and space it. See this one, the same thing. So my semicolon was too close. You can see that it's showing red. That means there is something wrong. It was able to give me the idea that something is wrong there. So I've separated it, and here too, the semicolon is also too close to the other author. So I have the opportunity of correcting it. Okay, that's it. So I'm done with this. I can now click on submit. See, it is already uploaded file, so I can now click on submit. So it has submitted. Correction has been effected. All the corrections have been effected. So for the third document, I'll use another document, for example. I'll copy the title as I did to the first two and paste. Author's name is there. There is no other authors, so I'll leave that place blank. Then keywords, step-by-step guide, citing repository guide. Okay, so the name of the journal, the title of the journal is Journal of Library and Information Science, published by Department of Library and Information Science, University of Benin, 2023. That is the year. The edition is a volume, as I said, volume 7, issue 2. ISSN, place of ISBN 6754-8765. Then I'll choose the file. Submit. Okay, so that is it. I've uploaded the three. These are the three documents I just of conceptualizing hybrid model for fluency intention, innovation strategies in academic libraries. So the admin will approve these before they can be searched. Right now, you can see that they are pending. Okay, once they are approved, you see them as approved file that can be searched. So after approving, they can be searched. You can use my name now to search on the institutional repository. I change it to author because I want to search with the author. I just type the name the way I typed it, Borovaro Avery, the author, and I'll search. Okay, look at them. You can see them. So they are already there, they are appearing there. So if I can open any of them like this, I can just click. See, it's opening. Good, there is it. So the document and we open through the institutional repository. can be searched and accessed. You download the full text, and if you are sure it is related to what you are looking for, that is going to be useful to you in your literature review, you can now cite it in your work. That is how your H index will be increasing. By the time your work is being cited through the institutional repository, your H index will be increasing. So let me go back and do the same. If it is a book, you can do the same thing. You can open a book through the same method. If it's a book chapter, it's the same thing. As long as it's uploaded and approved in the institutional repository, you can search, access the material, download it if you want to. If you just want to read through there and make your citations, you can do that. So that is how it works. This is a second of innovation strategies in academic libraries using business entrepreneurial theories, analysis of competing values framework, and disruptive innovation theory. So that is just it. Encourage you, make use of it, upload your works, and send any message if you have any issue. Thank you very much.